Hey, how you doing, guys? We got this Jeep 2008 with a 3.7 liter engine. We're gonna replace the radiator. Alright. For that, we're gonna open the hood first. Well, this Jeep has as you can see, it has 146,000 miles. Okay. Where's the latch? The latch is right here. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna remove the coolant reservoir, the windshield fluid reservoir, and the air filter housing. To remove the windshield fluid and the coolant reservoir, we have to remove the air filter housing first to get to these bolts. Okay, it's kind of tricky to get to that, but not impossible. So this is how we do it. Once we loose those bolts, we can remove this reservoir. The pump is gonna still attach, so you have to remove that too. Just disconnect the wiring connector. If you can, just put it to the side. We're gonna have to remove the fan. The fan is just attached by 4 bolts, if I'm not mistaken. On the other hand, it is just sitting on the radiator. But to remove the fan, you have to remove this wire. Okay, it took me some time to remove it though. I couldn't disconnect the wire because I don't know, because maybe it's too old. I don't know, maybe if you spray some WD-40 you can disconnect it. And this is the radiator being held by 2 bolts on top. Don't forget to remove the hoses, the clamps. For now, I can drain the radiator. Be careful with the transmission lines. Okay, in this case, the transmission lines were like rusty, and I didn't want to break it. But these lines are being held by to the radiator with a screw. Okay, so like I said, I'm gonna drain the radiator now while I do remove the clamps, the hoses. Now you see this type of fitting right above the draining knob. There's where the fan is gonna sit. Okay, just remove the radiator cap so it drains faster. Once you remove the hoses, you can remove this, because you don't want to, like, try to remove the hoses and move the radiator at the same time, and it's going to be more difficult to remove the hoses. You know what I'm saying? So remove those bolts after you remove the hoses. To remove these clamps, sometimes, I don't know, some mechanics put it in the wrong way, or you know, in a difficult angle. So for that, you're gonna use the special tool. Okay, I have this other video. I'm gonna put it the link on the corner of on the top of your screen, so you can see what type of tool I'm talking about. I'm also gonna put the link in the description box, so you can click it and see what I'm talking about. I think it's like $40 or something. It's very useful. You know what I'm saying? So now that I removed the hoses, I'm gonna remove the screws. I just want to say thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for comment also. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do it. Hit the subscribe button. Destroy the like button. Share the video. And if you have any questions, like I said, any questions, anything to say about this video, about the radiator, about the Jeep, any experience related to this car, just put it in the comment box. Now we are about to remove the radiator. And once we remove the radiator, we just put the new one back the same way you remove the old one, you know, and that's it. You start putting everything back. Just go in reverse, and that's it. I'm just making sure nothing is attached to the radiator before I pull it out. Right there, I'm using the WD-40. This clip right here is where the radiator is going to sit. You just gotta pull it down or pull it towards you, pull it back, okay? And then the radiator clip is going to be free, and just pull it up and you're good to go. Okay, that's how the radiator is attached to the condenser. Once you drain all the fluid, the antifreeze from the radiator, you are good to go. You are good to remove it. Like I said, don't forget to remove the hoses and the clamps. And that's that. Like I said, we put already a radiator, the new radiator, the fan, and now we're gonna put some Mopar antifreeze. Antifreeze made by Jeep, Dodge, Chrysler. Being honest, I don't know who's the owner now. I think it's Chrysler. So we just top off the radiator with an antifreeze coolant. Don't forget to put the hose right there by the radiator cap. Start the car, let it run for 30 minutes, 1 hour. Blast the heat. Don't forget to top off the antifreeze reservoir also. Okay, just check everything is good to go, that nothing is leaking. That right there are the transmission lines. So these ones were rusty. Okay, and they're being held by a bolt. Okay, so instead of me popping out the lines, I just removed the bolt. I didn't want to break the lines. Feel me? Okay, now that I see and I remember, the fan is being held by 2 bolts, and I have to remove these 2 also because they were hard to remove, especially the connector that goes to the fan. And once you see there's no leak at all, put back the windshield fluid reservoir, you'll set. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, do it now. I know you're gonna like this video. And if you know anybody that has a Jeep, any friend, neighbor, just share the video. They're gonna appreciate it. Hit the like button. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, anything regarding to this video, put it in the comment box. Any experience, anything, any idea, any comments, just put it in the comment box. I want to know what you think. Any feedback, just put it there. Alright, thank you for watching, and I see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.